Well, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. I need your guys' help. I'm trying to decide what to do. So I have my 1969 Ford Fairlane right here, and the interior's never been the best. Since I bought it, it was kind of pieced together. The front bench seat on it, I would sit down, I would sink really low, so it obviously needs some sort of reconstruction or rebuild. And then the vinyl itself, as you can see, it's just all the seams have busted. Now I do repairs, and since the seam has busted, that's not something I'm looking to repair. Plus, like I said, the cushion is very, very soft, so I sink into it too much, and it's just not ideal. So I wanted to get that replaced, right? Now here's the part where I need your guys' help. I found a guy that will do it. I got the seat out already, right? So it's easy. I'm just gonna take it to him. 500 bucks, he will reconstruct the whole seat. He's gonna take the current vinyl cover off. He's going to replace the springs, rebuild the foam inserts, all that kind of stuff, recover it, custom made. He's not gonna order a custom deal. He's not gonna order a pre-made thing. He's gonna custom build the vinyl upholstery part of it, the cover. And again, 500 bucks. However, what do I do, guys? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the interior of the Fairlane right now. So again, guys, I did pull the seat out of it. Disregard the red lights. The previous owner just put these little red LEDs in there. I don't know why, man. I'm gonna take those out. I haven't done anything with them yet. Let me go ahead and try and bump this up for you guys so you can see a little bit better. All right, guys, so there we go. Now you can see. So carpet kit's not in terrible condition. It's definitely not in the best condition, and it does have a little hole up here. I could repair that, so that's not too much of a concern. The back seat is in decent shape. The headliner is a joke, so that completely needs to be redone for sure. And then the door panels don't match perfectly. As you can see, darker blue, there's a lighter blue in the back. So all that could be redone. And then the whole back where the speakers are, the previous owner just laid some vinyl over it. Again, not great. It gets the job done. It's just not up to my standards of what I want. Again, I got this car at a really, really good value, so I wasn't too concerned with all that stuff. It's a complete driver. It's, you know, all that stuff's good to go, and it does the job, so I haven't been too concerned with it. Let's go ahead and get into the part where I need your help. Do I just replace the seat, get it covered and matched so that it matches the back seat and it's all good to go? 500 bucks, I'm done with it. It would be done in about a week, and I'm back in to the car and good to go. Or do I, he kind of brought it up, I can have the entire interior redone. That would be headliner, carpet kit, front and rear seats, door panels, the whole 9 yards, which gives me the opportunity to do a color change on it as well, which I'm kind of thinking of like a cool, like dark brown, kind of a cognac color. I think that would look really, really good in this thing. Change out the carpet kit, the whole 9 yards for 2,500 bucks. Now that will take, 3 weeks to a month, but 2,500 bucks to have, I mean, the interior would be brand new. And I don't know what to do, so please help me. I'm really considering going with the 2,500. To be perfectly transparent and honest with you guys, I did a Cars and Coffee. There's actually in Rancho Santa Fe, which is like a very, very, very wealthy portion of San Diego County. They have a Cars and Coffee there every Saturday morning. And then after that, there's a secret car club, Cars and Coffee. Also, I go and do both of those on occasion. And this last week, I took my daughter with me. Super fun, my 7-year-old. We took my buddy's Vanderhall, which is a little 3-wheeled race car type deal, and she had an absolute blast. So I've kind of been looking, okay, well, maybe I wanted to get a new car to go to these events with her. She really likes the convertible aspect of it. So I was thinking about buying a Shelby Cobra replica, obviously. I was previously seeing them in that $35,000 to $45,000 range. Obviously, you can get way more expensive, depends who built it, all that kind of stuff. That's another one of the variables, right? I don't know if, like who built the thing? Is it gonna last? I don't know, especially when you're in that price point range, but I didn't want to spend much more than that. And then I got to thinking, I have this rad car right here. I love this thing. Why don't I just get it proper, right? Get it fixed up to where I'm completely happy with it. My biggest thing with it has been the interior. So what do I do, guys? Do I go $500, new front seat, reconstructed and call it a day, be good to go? Or do I invest the $2,500, get a completely brand new interior, and really be loving it after that, really? I mean, I'd be 9 out of, oh gosh, man. Scale from 1 to 10 on happiness. If I just redid the front seat, probably be about a 7.5 out of 10. So pretty good. Obviously the new interior, 10 out of 10, I would be really pumped. Especially it would be cool if I did a color change. Again, I'm gonna spin you guys around. Look at the color of the car. So there's the color of the car, right? I think having that kind of tan cognac color inside would be incredible. And I don't know, like, really guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think, because let me know 2 things, right? Number 1, do I just do the bench seat? And if that's the case, then that's all you have to mention. If it's number 2 and you want me to redo the entire interior, again, that headliner is just a joke. Floor kit's okay, it needs to be cleaned up. There is a hole, but the door panels could be changed out. Rear seat is okay. Again, that one could be reconstructed, but no one really sits back there anyway, so I'm not concerned. That little shelf in the back though could definitely be redone. And if you guys do choose option number 2 and want this whole thing replaced, then what color do I go with? And so I'm thinking that cognac color. I'll flash up a color here for you guys so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm doing or thinking. But then do I do black carpet kit, black doors and dash, black headliner with the cognac seats, or do I do black carpet kit, black dash, cognac door panels, headliner, and seats? There's a lot of options, right? And you know, if I'm gonna go that route and do the whole thing, I wanna make it cool. I wanna make it my own. Help me. To be perfectly honest with you, I am probably leaning more towards redoing the whole thing. Now, I'm gonna be taking just the seats up to the guy today, which means he can just reupholster the front seat and I'll be done with it. I'm gonna post this video today, so you guys can please give me some feedback. It's gonna be about a month-long process anyway. He's a really cool guy. I'll be able to take the stuff to him, and then he'll come down and install everything and redo the door panels, all that kind of good stuff. So the car won't be gone forever. He'll just deal with the interior as we go. So please, guys, please help me. What do I do? Full interior or just seat? And if it's full interior, what's the color combo? Please comment down below, guys. Please let me know what you think. Like I said, I think I'm leaning to that cognac all around. Black. Again, there's the color of the car. What's gonna look best? Help me out. I appreciate all of you guys so much. Anyways, comment down below. Thank you so much. I am filming videos in the back here right now. I've got my little studio set up, my lighting. I'm actually doing my best electric pressure washer under $100 video right now. I'm kind of filming it. I'll get it edited. I was actually gonna post that one today, but my little car back here is more important. I need to know, since I am taking the seat to the guy, I need to know what I'm gonna do now. So please comment down below quickly. Anyways, guys, here I'll spin you around again. I've got the Craftsman 1700, Greenworks 1500, Ryobi 1600, which has always been one of my favorites. We've got the Portland 1750 over here. And then we are gonna have a few more to look at as well. And like a lot of you guys have said, I've done so many different pressure washer reviews, it kind of gets confusing. You can click through them and they're all decent. So we're gonna compare side by side the performance ratings of all of them, what the accessories come with, all that kind of stuff, and figure out which one is really the best. So anyways, guys, that's it. Like I said, please comment down below. I appreciate you. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, comment down below, let me know what you think on the car. We'll see you on the next one.